SGN is a gas distribution network. We're responsible for managing the distribution of gas from the national transmission network in the UK out to people's meters in all of Scotland and the south of England. SGN provide not only the management of that network, but we also provide an emergency service. If any of our customers smell gas, they can ring the national helpline and SGN will come out and make that safe. SGN's ethos is very much driven by a very forward-thinking executive and a very forward-thinking regulator. So we focus a lot of our time not only on operational excellence and on safety, but also around customer service. SGN has recently been awarded their first position in terms of gas distribution networks in the UK for customer service. We also have won a number of awards around our use of technology, including robotics and mobile applications. SGN's focus is always upon its customer and making sure that our customers are safe and that we have the reliable delivery of gas to them. SGN are currently running a number of production workloads in AWS. We're running a mobile application which is designed to improve the customer service but also the safety of our engineers and our staff, enabling us to capture images and store them in a cost-effective, scalable way. We also run some of our key analytics platforms within AWS. And again, that's enabled us to have a very low barrier of entry to start adopting these new services. So rather than purchasing expensive infrastructure and software, we've been able to run some of these analytics activities and workloads as a service. Based upon the success that we've had running some of those workloads within AWS and as part of our wider technical strategy, which is built to align with SGN's business strategy, we've decided to move all of our workloads from our current on-premise data centers into a combination of SaaS services and AWS. So we're currently working with migration partners to identify those workloads and to move those all across into AWS. So AWS will be a fundamental strategic partner for SGN in the future. The main benefits of using the AWS platform for SGN are focused around 4 key areas: security, durability, agility, and cost. From a security perspective, we know that AWS can manage and provide a much more secure platform than, frankly, we could ever hope to. In terms of durability, the scale and infrastructure that AWS have in place provides a massive opportunity for SGN to provide very, very durable services, which is essential to SGN as a safety critical service provider. From an agility perspective, the adoption of AWS and other cloud-based services enables SGN to respond to business requirements far more effectively, far quicker, and far more cost effectively. And then finally, from a cost perspective, AWS enables us to only pay for the services that we are actually using, rather than investing in licenses and in hardware that sits unused for a majority of the time. We can only pay for what we use. So we gain much greater value out of the investment that we make in the platform. Finally, working with AWS has been great for SGN from an agent of change perspective. AWS staff have always been very collaborative. They're very happy to challenge the way that we do things, the way that we're thinking. And that disruptive mindset has helped SGN achieve different ways of solving some of the problems that face all IT departments.